In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off Safari iCloud syncing on an iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and the first stop we need to head over to Settings. On Settings, at the very top, tap at your name. Then tap at iCloud, and then right here at Apps using iCloud box, down below tap at Show All to show up all the applications that are using iCloud. If we scroll down a bit, we can easily find Safari here, and basically, guys, all we have to do in order to turn on or off Safari iCloud syncing is just tap at the button next to it. To turn off Safari syncing, tap at that button. It will ask you what would you like to do with the previously synced iCloud Safari data on your iPhone. You can select Keep on my iPhone or Delete from my iPhone. Regardless of what you choose, it will disable the synchronization. The same about turning on that option. If that toggle turned off, just tap on it to start syncing your Safari data with iCloud. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.